Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send image as document in WhatsApp on your iPhone, right? So guys, simply just go to your photos and after that you have to click on the share button. And if you just go to the bottom, you have to scroll a little bit down and here you will see save as a file, okay? Then it will be saved as a file. Then you have to just go to your WhatsApp and if you click on the plus icon which is on the bottom left side corner, and here you can share that document, right? So basically you can share that photo as a document. Now guys, I know this is very a long time taking because you have to convert it into file. So I will show you another option. Just go to your photos and select the photo which you want to send. Then you have to just click on the share button, right? And here you will find the option where it is called print, okay? So just click on the print option. Now here you can see in the down below the photo will be open, so you have to just zoom it out with your finger so that it can convert into a PDF. Now just click on the share button which is on the bottom left side corner, and after that select the WhatsApp, and that's it. Your photo has been sent as a document, right, without losing any of the quality. So these are the two steps which I use most of the time, and these two steps are very easy to follow. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.